If somebody calls our firm after a terrible car crash, they're usually confused. They're in pain, they're stressed out financially because they've got doctor's bills, or maybe they don't have somewhere to go to get medical attention for their injuries. If you call us, we will try to put them at ease, lower their stress level, because we understand that they're in pain, they're emotionally distraught, they have all of this financial stress. And so we want to let them know from the very get-go, we're going to fund the process to the fullest extent possible, help them get medical care, and take care of the entire process legally.
My biggest fear was being disabled for a long time, even though I didn't receive like the type of injury where I broke a bone, anything like that. And the accident completely changed my life. It affected my marriage. I ended up having a divorce. My kids got affected a little bit because my emotional intelligence wasn't there. It's like flipping up on and off a switch. I would get so upset and yell at them and curse at them. The accident changed everything. So I was never the same.
The biggest mistake that people make when they're involved in a serious car crash is to try to take care of it themselves. Because insurance companies, they're like wolves. They know that they're not represented and they want to try to settle the case as quickly and as cheaply as possible in order to save money for their investors.
So there was no way I could manage that case by myself. My case was very complicated. It was a lot of writing, going back and forth with the courts in New Mexico. Not a lot of attorneys in town or in the United States are able to win a case in the Supreme Court. And Mr. Chavez was able to represent me and be victorious on that case.
The most important thing when choosing a car crash lawyer is to find a lawyer that actually cares. Somebody who understands where they're coming from, understands the stresses that they're facing. And that lawyer will put them at ease, show them the process, and fund the case throughout the legal process.
Now that the case is settled, it has given me a lot of mental peace. I have been able to save money for my retirement or for my medical bills, so I'm able to use that. And that I can provide for my family. I believe the Chavez Law Firm is the best small law firm in El Paso.
If you've been putting off calling a car crash lawyer because you're afraid of having another bill or wondering about how you're going to pay for it, give us a call. You need to understand that if we become your lawyer, we will fund the entire process. We will give you the options. We will fund the process to get you the experts, the medical attention that you deserve.